Wow, look at that seagull. I've never seen a seagull that big ever. It's like double the size. That's because it looks like a seagull, but it's actually a robotic spy. It just poked its tongue out. See? I told you. That's how you know it's recording. Okay. And how do I know when it's finished recording? That's what's so obvious. What it does is it takes a very, very, very long poop. And do you know what the colour is of the poop? No. I will give you a clue. It's the colour of the longest wavelength. Red. Wow. I wonder what they feed the robotic seagulls.